Hey, how's it going, everyone? Dennis here from primedtraders.com, and I've got a very special video for everyone. We're going to be going over a recap of all of these trades. You see, this is a winner, that's a loser, that's a loser, and then that's a winner, that's a loser, winner, winner, blah, blah, blah. We're going over a recap. NASDAQ. We're going to go over exactly how we traded the strategy, everything in detail. I'm actually even thinking of preparing myself for potential longs right now as we're looking at this. If these levels actually end up holding and we have a cross on the 100 ticks, I will go long, and I shall explain to you guys exactly why in detail. So market's been busy. We opened a couple of different trades today, and I'm going to go over our statistics for the day pretty soon and explain to you guys exactly why, how, what we have traded. Currently, we're witnessing a bit of a break, but I'm not liking these higher lows over here, lower highs over here, and this is essentially the level I'd like to get into. This looks like a really good price, 16,105. I can see that there has been plenty of volume in that area, and it seems like that's the bottom of this area. Anyway, you guys are gonna find out if I decide to open any new trades on NASDAQ. I have a training coming up in about 2 hours with my guys for the funded channel challenge, where we're helping people get funded for up to $1 million and starting from 25K. Really cool stuff. Very, 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 very excited about the near future. And I can't wait to teach you guys something interesting in this video here today. We're going to be going over a recap of exactly how we made 8,362 euros and 55 cents. I am going to share with you guys right now a snip very quickly. Let me pull that up. So that's the trades. Let's go over the analysis of the account, and I'll prove, show, blah, blah, blah. Give me a sec, let it open up. It's on the other screen, and show to you guys today's data. So, oh, you see, this is what I mean. You see those? You see, look at the screen. Those lower highs right there. I didn't like it, and I know that this is the area. So I'm happy I didn't do anything. Anyway, so profitability, let's do that for the day. I just snipped it. Here it is. So I chose today, NASDAQ, EuroCAD, WTI. Now here's the thing. I'm actually trading WTI on another account. I decided to come out of this one so I can focus on NASDAQ. Ending the day with about 8,320, which is great. Now, knowing that we are at this level, I'm going to be focusing on my 100-tick chart. And if anything happens, if for any reason I believe that I should be going long on this, I will take it, even though the bear signals persist. I'm liking this head and shoulders on the MACD a lot. In any case, I made my profit, so I'm really happy. What we need to do, me and you good people, is we need to go to the 5-minute chart. And these are the trades for today. And I'm going to go over bit by bit and explain everything in detail. First of all, I'm going to get a snip of the 1-hour chart and show you something that you might not see. Okay, our strategy is very simple. You guys can learn it by joining our community. We're very affordable, but you know, we do charge for our time. The MACD momentum here is low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What happens here is fully determined based on this. This blue line here is the monthly VWAP. The yellow one is, the orange one is the weekly, and these are key rejection levels, the dotted levels. Really important stuff. We started trading over here. We had the breakout. We made good money. Market's coming down now. There are good reasons to even enter this short. I'm not going to do that now. First, let's start with today's trading. And let's start with these blue boxes over here. This is really important. So if you guys ever want to learn anything from us, this is a perfect time. This is a bullish trend, finding resistance right up here. And then as it found that resistance, it pushed down, giving us this level here, the close, the red dots, and the bottom. So I'm going to tag this down to the bottom. Okay, there it is. This now gives us structure, and this is really important. These are very important levels to have. Price action created this, so let's start. Push down, push back up to that resistance, down, come back up, down, almost came to the close, almost came to the top, broke out, faked out, used it as a support, pushed up, guess what? Resistance, push back down. So this is the first trade that I've executed. So I'll make this all very simple for you guys. Okay, so NASDAQ is trying to come back in. I'll show you guys now this on the 100 ticks because I'm about to go long. So you see that rejection? I'm just waiting for a very small crossover to occur. And I'm waiting for a breakout of that white line. I'll explain to you guys what this indicator is soon. So very similar to before, we're witnessing a potential fake out of this area. If we manage to hold this and push up, guess what? Moi is going to go long. What do we have? We've got a clear-cut head and shoulders here. Clear-cut head and shoulders. So we're going to take another long. We're just waiting for the confirmation of the 100 tick. As soon as that occurs, we're going to tell our team, that we're going to be going long. Okay, preparation, it's almost there. Okay, it's there. It's crossing. Give me a sec. Just waiting for that white line to break on the 100. The good thing is we found the trade. You know, that's fabulous because I get to help you guys out a lot. But I just need to do this on my other account. Okay, there we go. I'm in. So I'm just waiting for the cross to set my SL, but it's pretty much valid. Just give me a moment. Okay, SL coming in. It goes right below that red level, right at the ATR. The ATR, I see it on my other screen. The ATR is there. So we're in. Market's moving up. Now we got our SL. We're all good. Okay. Cool. Anyway, so now we're on the 100 ticks, but I need to come back to the 5-minute. We use multiple time frame analysis. If you guys want a proper course that goes over all of this, you can get it directly on our website. Cheap, affordable, simple. All you need to do is join. So the market does this, okay? We know that there is a key level right there, right? So we know that there is a key level right here. We know this. There's the white level. We also see a key level here. There's red dots. You see this? We see that from here. So now we used to do this a lot, by the way. We ended up changing our strategy quite a bit, but we used to use fibs a lot. We still use them, and here they are. So if I set the fibs from the current low, sorry, the recent low to the current high, I get this. 38, 30, 21. 30 rejects, 38 holds. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that was our cue. So now that you guys understand most of the details, let's go down to the 100 tick and let's scroll all the way back. Our trade's protected, and let's go over all of this. I started trading before the New York Open because of what I witnessed, okay? I took a short over here. I thought that this was a valid breakout, so I took the long, ended up coming out of this long with a loss, waited, got a confirmation, took my first long. I thought that this continuation would continue going, took the longs again. Now, we also had fibs. You can clearly see the recent top to bottom, but this is something else I want to talk to you about. First of all, we have a resistance level here that's holding. But you remember what I just did on the 5-minute? I'm sure you guys remember. What I did on the 5-minute, you take the overall resistance, the first level where the market went down, you take the second level where the market first found support, okay? The market finds support, plays around this area, ranges, so I'm still holding these longs, and I know that if this level breaks, it didn't break here, the market closed over there, and here it didn't break, and here, and here, and here, and I just wasn't comfortable taking because I already had free trades. I didn't want to overexpose. Wait and wait and wait, and I thought this was a valid breakout. I exposed. By the way, the first trade's much bigger than all the rest. This one is 80 lots, and these ones are 10s, the add-ons. I waited, market eventually broke out. This crossover here, you can see I took a long here, took a small loss, but took plenty of profits here. I waited, market gave us a double top, could have shorted this, I wasn't comfortable with it. Price action came right to the VWAP, started pushing up, got the confirmation, took my long. I was a little too quick to enter a trigger here because this is an 80 lot position. So I came out early, should have waited. Re-entered, came out, another small profit. And then I re-entered here. So this is 80 lots, 10-10, clearly a bigger profit. By the time I realized that we're in a range again, I ended up taking two small losses. Two small losses. I waited. There's the breakout. Took some more trades. Took another one here. And then we have another range. This is what we're talking about now. So you can see here I took two small losses as well, took a small profit here, and now we're back decently into the profit area, running around 700 euros, which I will lock. Done. Why did we enter this? We got a head and shoulders here. We're holding that support level. We're clearly faked out. It's all clear as daylight. We have clear-cut confirmations that we are above a key level on the 1-hour chart. You guys can't have this because most of our indicators are custom. You get them when you join us. You see this here? That's our resistance. That's where we're looking to take profit. Now that we're above this area and we clearly support it from the bottom, this becomes a very interesting level for us. And hence why I found an opportunity just by sitting down on the charts. That's how beautiful this is. But you need time to learn it, you know? You need training, and that's what we're doing. I do want to make a small promotion though and just explain to you guys what we're doing. We're starting a funded trader program. We're working with a very, very good regulated broker that operates only on ABOK. And they're funding our traders from 25 grand all the way up to $1 million. And we hold those trainings. For the time being, the first group is full. We're training about 7 people, or 8 even. Nobody's paying for anything yet, but we will be adding a fee on this after we have a proof of concept. I guess that's pretty much everything I wanted to go over. There is a little bit more that I'd like to share, so just bear with me. Okay, so how do we know to enter at specific levels? Now, I'm always instructing my guys in the community, which hopefully that can be you too, to always follow the best setups, the ones with the greatest risk reward. And if you also focus on that, look for those A+ setups, the best ones that you ever could. If you only focus on those, then you will not struggle, okay? You will not struggle. We'll talk about this more in the next blog post. I don't want to take away any kind of attention from the system. I'm happy. You guys saw me take a trade live. We're up 14 points, locked in. Hopefully we can have a breakout. We'll see how the MACD performs. But if we have a break below this Dogechain channel, I'm getting out. Anyway, I'm tired. I've been grinding my ass off to finish this year strong. Thank you for watching this. If you liked the video, if you have any questions as well, comments below. Like, subscribe. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you soon.